Hi there, what's up? Today I'm going to show you the updated version of our bot to scrap data from Pamono.eu. There were some problems in our bot, like it was not showing which missing products are. So I have fixed all the bugs. So in this short video I'm going to show you how to use this bot. When you get this zip file, after extracting, you will just need to find exe file and open it. And this is the user interface of our bot. So I have collected some vendors links. You will just need to put the vendor link here in this box, then our bot will scrap data from there. Let's say we choose this one, and you can also use more than one vendor links here. And once you put all the links, just click start button. This vendor has these products. I have disabled JavaScript and images loading option so that our bot can work fast. So it is scraping data from each product under this vendor. Once it scraps all the products, it will notify you on your email. As this is demo, so it will notify on my email. So it is scraping. Now I am going to pause the video. We will see the result once it scraps all products from this vendor. Now the bot has scrapped all the products. The scrap data automatically removed from here and saved into Excel file. Let me show where. Here is our vendor name, and this is the time when it had exported. So when we open it, so you can see the data here, and it is now showing the message after scrapping all products. All the products has been scrapped successfully and all updates information has been sent to your email. You can export now. So it has already export. We don't need to export. I'm clicking this OK button, and let's say check our email. So it has sent the email. So here are updates from DevAlpha, Pamono.eu, and this was our vendor name, and it has found only 39 products and there is no missing, and this is the file name so that you can easily find your file within this directory. And here are some theme options here, like this one. It's your own choice. Okay, so this is our bot. If you had any questions, please let me know. I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.